Some people making mistake in data entry. These mistakes waste time and break workflow in Excel. Many office workers repeat the same steps again and again without knowing faster methods. In this video, I'll show quick Excel fixes that save time and reduce errors. If you enter ID numbers manually, it takes a lot of time and can cause errors, especially with large data. The best way to enter ID or serial numbers is to type one in the top cell. Then go to the Fill option and choose Series. Set the start value and enter your required number in the stop value. Select columns and Excel will generate the serial numbers automatically. Trick number 2. Typing the same word again and again in Excel wastes time, especially when working with large data. Instead, select the range and type HR in the top cell. Then press Ctrl plus Enter. Excel automatically fills the remaining cells. This method saves a lot of time. Trick number 3. If your data contains blank rows or empty cells and you want to delete them in one click, this is possible and helps you work faster. Select your data and press Ctrl plus G. Click Special, then choose Blanks. Excel automatically selects all blank cells and rows. Right-click and choose Delete to remove them instantly. If you found this helpful, please like the video and leave a comment. Trick number 4, if you adjust column width manually, it takes time. Use Alt-HOI to AutoFit the data instantly.